Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable the dark mode on Gemini AI. Now let's begin. On any browser of your device, for now I have the Google Chrome opened, let us search for gemini.google.com. After you have typed it, let's hit on enter. Well, as you can see, I have already signed in, so if you have not, you can sign in right now. Even the sign up process is not that tough. You only have to create a Google account, which is quite simple. So moving on to the main topic, how to enable dark mode. Well, on this nav bar on the left hand side, you will see something like settings. Let's click on it. And here you can see many options such as extensions, your public links, dark theme, real-time responses. To enable dark mode on our Gemini AI, let's simply toggle on this button. And there you have it, guys. That's how you enable the dark mode on Gemini AI. If you have any confusions, do comment below. And for content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.